Welcome to the third tutorial here, and this is going to be doing the line that has turns. Now you're going to need to go on your robot and set it to check rotations, and that's what's going to help you out here. Now the first thing you're going to do is that you have to travel the first part of the line, and you're going to set it to how many rotations you have, and of course varying upon the size of the line to how many rotations you need. Alright, for the line I have, we had to go 2 rotations, so I changed my rotations right down here in the duration. Alright, then I come up here and I hit move. Alright, now here's where you can do it one of 2 ways. I'm going to make a left-handed turn, so what's going to stop is my motor B is not going to turn, my motor C is what's actually going to turn. So I can either go right here and set to change a turn right here, so I'm going to steer to the left for 1 rotation, or a little more advanced would be to leave it straight, turn off the left motor, which you see here is C, and turn B for 1 rotation. I bring my next move in for the line I had. Like I said, it changes for you and the size of the line you set for the kids. The line I have here, I had 1 rotation. I'm going to change that to 2 rotations, and I have both motors turning again, as you can see. Both B and C, I want both wheels to turn. I come along here. It now makes a right-handed turn. Alright. Last time I turned C off. This time I'm going to turn B off because I do not want wheel B to turn. I only want wheel C on the left-hand side to turn, so it turns along. I'll come over here, make 1 rotation, much like I did here. You can see these blocks are the same. It's just based upon which motor is turning. And then, of course, I want to put 1 final move in. And for ours, it took approximately 7 rotations to finish it out. Varies upon what you have, and this too is a trial and error. 7 may work for you, 7 may not work for you. You may need more, you may need less. But that's the length of the line we went. So if you look at it, you go straight, 2 rotations. You turn to the left, 1 rotation. You go straight, 2 rotations. You turn to the right, 1 rotation, and then you finish it out going 7 rotations. Like I said, you can come in here and say, I want to turn both motors on and make a right turn. Make sure, as you see this little arrow right here turns to the right, that you don't go too far, because then you're trying to make a U-turn. I just want to make a turn. And you can see the difference here. Now I have the one going, now I have the both going. You see these letters on top, it tells you which motors are turning. Alright. Hopefully this tutorial can help you in completing a task like this.